Hello and welcome to this RealServeIT AppZero Legacy Application Migration demonstration. In this demo we're going to show Adobe Reader 5 installed on a Windows XP machine being migrated to a Windows 8 machine. We're going to show that software won't install on Windows 8 first of all, and then we will migrate the application with the AppZero tool. So here's our Windows XP machine which has Adobe Reader 5 installed, and Adobe Reader 5 is working as expected with file associations and directly launching the application. We now will log off the Windows XP machine. We're now on our Windows 8.1 machine, and what we'll try and do is install that Adobe Reader 5 from the source software. We'll run the install as an administrator, and what we'll find is actually the install will basically just kind of hang and not complete, and that's because Adobe Reader 5 was not designed for this platform and it won't install. If we go in C Program Files, we'll see that nothing arrived in the C Program Files Adobe directory. What we'll now do is migrate the application from the Windows XP machine to our target Windows 8 machine. This will require us to install the AppZero software on our target machine, in this example the Windows 8 machine, and then we'll suck the application off of Windows XP onto Windows 8. Okay, so we'll launch the AppZero product, and we're asked to provide a VAA name. This will be the virtual area that we're going to put the application into. Source name will be the source name or IP address of our source machine, in this example Windows XP. The password is required of the local administrator account on that source machine, and then we hit find applications and it will discover the applications on that source machine. So here we see our Adobe Acrobat 5, and we can start a tethered link back to that source machine to start that application. Now we're tethered, we can launch the application. It'll ask us to choose the required shortcut to launch the application, and we'll select that there. What you'll see down in the taskbar is the tethered link is spinning around, showing that the application is being captured. And there's our Acrobat Reader 5. Then what we need to do is exercise the application, which basically means to use the functions and features within the app to ensure that all the required registry keys and DLLs are migrated across onto our target machine. So we suggest you use commonly used components within the application in order to do that. Now we can close the application. We can finish the tether, and then if we look on this machine, on its C drive, appliances, and under that Reader 5 VAA location, we can see that the redirected C drive is in there. There's also a redirected registry which resides in that area. Now our application capture is complete, we can perform a dissolve of the application. What this means is moving the application from being stored within the AppZero VAA container to being actually natively installed on that target machine. So that will mean that we could actually, if we wanted to, remove the AppZero software from that target machine and the application will run natively. What we'll see when we do this is that the program will move from the C app appliances directory into its true location of C program files, and the registry will move to its native registry locations. Okay, to run the dissolve, we run a command line tool. There's a whole bunch of switches, but we want the default ones in this example. And there we can see on the screen, on the left side was our C appliances directory, and on the right is our C program files, and we now have the Adobe product on our C program files location, and we can just start the exe as normal there. We also get the file associations all working on the target machine, and we've got a report of what occurred in a HTML format, so we can see exactly what the dissolve performed with regards moving files and entering registry keys. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.